You ever feel like you're getting rained on by a bunch of pieces of tar? I'm about to show you what that looks like. Let's talk about it. Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to the Blue Collar Cruising channel. My name is Ike Stevens and I am currently aboard the Carnival Vista. See, it's not a green screen. We're in 6466, okay? So when we first got on the ship on the balcony here, didn't really notice it, did the room tour and everything, and didn't really notice it until we sat down on these chairs. Okay, and then I had some shorts a lot like these, pretty shorts, huh? Pretty shorts, you see? Yeah. So and they had black spots all over them, and so upon further evaluation we noticed how dirty that the floor was and how these chairs were, and I'm about to show you. So what you see here, these are, I'm guessing, like tar droppings from the exhaust. You can kind of pick them up. See? This is coming out of the exhaust, I believe. See how it made my finger kind of black? So you got this all over the floor, and also I was noticing it the other night. I was down in the hot tub. I actually had a couple of pieces hit me on my shoulder down there in that hot tub, and there was a couple of pieces like that I just showed you that were in the hot tub. Like, what's this hard thing, you know, that I'm touching? And it gets all over everything. Now the crew has came in on this cruise 2 times to clean it, but it hasn't been cleaned in a couple of days. And so it's going to make all your clothes dirty. So if you lay down in these loungers, if you sit down in these loungers, you're going to get dirty. You gotta, you know, put a towel on, but you're still going to maybe have stuff come and hit you. It is messy, it's dirty, and when you go and you spend money to come on a cruise, especially to get a balcony like this, you don't, you know, you want to be able to utilize it, right? And we really haven't been able to utilize it that much because of just getting dirty and all that. So, and this is the kind of stuff that you may not be able to get out of your clothes. So those of you guys looking at this room 6466 or any aft balcony, because we've noticed it on the ground out here. As a matter of fact, if you can look real closely, you can tell. If you can tell or not, but you can kind of tell that on these little covers that are back here, there's all sorts of spots right there and stuff. So, and that all gets on the floor, on the you know, just on the decks. On deck 5, I'm on deck 6. It's probably getting on deck 7, possibly 8. But then you start to see where you get kind of covered up there. So if you're like on 9, if you're on 9, you should be able to have a clean balcony. Possibly 8, but 7 and 6 definitely. And then obviously 5. And this is all coming out from the exhaust of the ship. And so pretty nasty. I don't know if it's this ship alone that is like this, or if they're all like this. This is our first aft balcony that we've ever had. So usually we stay in suites, and this will probably be the game changer for us, is to not get an aft balcony again, even though it's just beautiful, but I mean, you know, I wish I didn't have to make this video, but I mean, when you spend kind of money, and see, this is on the chair right here, the piece of tar. Look over here. See, this right here, see? And then over here, I like these blue ones because they're adjustable. See what I'm saying? All this stuff will ruin your clothes, or at least make them really dirty, where if you sit out here you have to immediately go change or wear something black. But who wears all black on a cruise? Like, I like wearing all black, but anyway, shouldn't have to. That's what I'm trying to say. So just beware if you're going to get this room and get this balcony. Just beware that you may encounter this, unless it's something that they could fix. And maybe it's something that they should be able to fix pretty soon. But anyways, from 6466 on the Carnival Vista and the Gulf of Mexico, headed back to Galveston. I'll catch you guys later. You'll see a lot more videos from this channel regarding this cruise. Positive, mainly positive, and some negative, obviously. But we're covering it all. I'm not a travel agent. I'm not a paid for guy by anybody. I'm just a guy doing YouTube videos. Talk to you guys later. 73.